Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a return on Amazon. If you've changed your mind about returning an item or resolved the issue in another way, this process will help you stop the return before it's processed. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, you'll be on Amazon's homepage, ready to navigate to your orders. Next, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and their current status. Now, I don't have any active return requests at the moment, but I'll walk you through exactly what you'd see and do next. On the Orders page, scroll through your recent orders to find the specific order that has the return you want to cancel. This might take a moment if you have many orders, so take your time to locate the right one. Once you've found the order, look for the button labeled Return or Replace Items and click on it. This button appears next to orders that are eligible for returns or have active return requests. Clicking it will bring up the return details and available actions for that particular order. Here's where you'll find the option to cancel your return. Look for a button or link that says Cancel this return or Cancel request. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the stage of your return, but it should be clearly visible on the screen. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with canceling. Amazon may ask you to provide a reason for canceling the return. If this happens, you'll see a drop-down menu or a list of options. Select the reason that best fits your situation. This helps Amazon improve their service and understand customer behavior. After selecting your reason, look for the Confirm or Cancel Return button and click it to finalize the cancellation. Finally, you should see a confirmation message appear on your screen. This message confirms that your return request has been successfully canceled. The item will remain in your possession and no further action will be needed regarding the return. It's a good idea to check your email as well, since Amazon typically sends a confirmation email summarizing the cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your return request on Amazon, and the item is now yours to keep without any return processing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.